Traders, we're just going to run through last week's trades from the 23rd to the 27th of September. This Aussie CAD opened, hadn't really traded anywhere for quite a while, went negative and it was just range bound. So I decided to close this one slightly better than break even. Okay, this one here we had a bearish break, triple top, spike above, taking out liquidity, and we had strong displacement to the downside, and I really thought we would see a continuation, but as it was, it went the other way. And this one was taken out. Aussie Swiss, this one was taken on the daily time frame, and I was looking for continuation to the downside given that we traded into this resistance here. Looking for that. We had this strong bearish move, break of market structure, but as it was, it kept going in the opposite direction, so we got taken out on that one, the Aussie yen. This one, you can see I exited early on this one. Okay, this was heading into these high impact events, cash rate, RBA rate statement. So I decided to close this one prior to these events and to secure profits. And I didn't re-enter for whatever reason. That would have been quite a nice trade for the week if we'd stayed in it. But we gained 0.32 R on that one. Okay, the Aussie Kiwi, going for this breakout. Stop was a little bit tight, going for continuation. So we had this break of structure. Okay, then it continued up. Now we've got another bearish, potential bearish price action here. Got these lower highs, however, we have these equal lows. Okay, so you could consider this bearish given that we have these lower highs. What I would like to see would be a break and then a retest of the low, and then that could be an opportunity. Okay, Euro Aussie. Just running down this list alphabetically. Yeah, we had a nice run with this. I kept closing it into the end of the session and reopening on the retrace. Okay, so closed here and then we reopened it short, closed at the end of the New York session. Okay, and then we reopened it here, and at the end of the New York session it hadn't really traded very far. So I decided to close that and secure profits. That was at the end of the last week. Euro pound, again, we opened it, nothing really happened. End of the New York session, I decided to close it and secure profits. It was on Friday. Euro Kiwi. Again, we've got this entry here, trend continuation. I ended up closing this at the end of the New York session again, Friday afternoon. This one could be an option for a trend continuation into this week. We'll have a look at that. Pound dollar, it didn't really do much. And again, into the end of the New York session, I ended up closing that, just slight profit. Kiwi yen. Well, this one was a breakout trade looking for continuation of this price action, but they got aggressive with this stop run on Friday before the London Open, and my stop was a bit tight. Well, I mean, stop loss under the previous low, and look what they do. We're up against some pretty aggressive stop runs on a regular basis. Okay, so we need to navigate our way around these. Dollar CAD, that's a sell limit. It never filled. I will just let that one go. And the last one, we had a US oil. I sent this one into VIP and into the public channel. Entry here on this break, and we pulled our stop loss to break even to be risk free. This is now retraced, so we'll just see how we go with that. With a bit of luck, it might continue down. Worst case, break even, stop loss slightly in profit, gets taken out, no big deal. And I think that wraps up the report for last week. And I'd like to invite you, if you haven't already, to jump on board our 14-day free trial. Click on the free trial up here and join us. Our signals are copy friendly, so you can copy them with TS Copier. We've got all the settings and everything. If you go to this TS Copier link on the website, you'll see everything in there and a video on how to set it up. And completely risk-free, 14 days. You don't pay anything. And then this will start to bill you on day 14, but you can control your subscription through your own PayPal account. If you feel this isn't for you, you can opt out at any time, so you're in full control. So guys, jump on board, try it out for 2 weeks and see what's possible. So with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.